how to change text color on iPhone. So if you want to change text color on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Notes application. After that, go with a new note. Now once you're here, if you want to change the text color, then what you need to do is just simply go and type some text. Once you do that, you need to select that text. After that, on the bottom, as you can see, that you will have the pencil shaped icon. Tap on the pencil shaped icon, and as you can see that you will have some colors right here. You can just simply go and select any color that you are comfortable with, and after that it will be changed to that particular color. Or you can also tap on the pencil shaped icon and you'll be able to customize the color. You can go with the marker, and then you need to select pen that you would like, and then you can go with the color option, which will be on the bottom. Once you tap on it here, you will have a lot of colors. You will have the spectrum. You can go and select any color that you're comfortable with. Once you've selected, you can go back and then just type or write something. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.